Want Surfshark for a big discount? Here's the fastest way to lock it in, step by step. Welcome to Offers Collection, where we track the best VPN deals so you don't waste money. The latest Surfshark deal link is right at the top of the description. In under 90 seconds, I'll show you how to apply the coupon and confirm the price drop. Step 1. Click the link at the top of the description. That opens Surfshark's sign-up page. Step 2. Choose your plan. The longer plan usually gives the lowest monthly price. The discount is auto-applied from the link. You'll see it already reflected. Step 4. Pick your payment method and complete checkout. If you're unsure, check the money-back guarantee details shown on the page. Quick reasons people pick Surfshark. It works across many devices, it's helpful for streaming while traveling, and it adds privacy on public Wi-Fi. If you see the discount, grab it now. Deals change. Just click the link in the description. Discount applies automatically. No code needed. If this helped, subscribe for more quick deal walkthroughs. Comment if you want a side-by-side discount comparison next. I'll update the pinned comment if the coupon changes.